Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is Apple tips and how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Apple Tips is a built-in app on iPhone, iPad and Mac that gives you quick tutorials, tricks and how-tos to help you get most out of your Apple device. It's especially helpful if you are new to iOS or want to discover hidden features. So what is Apple Tips? The Tips apps is like your personal app guide offering tips and tricks for iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch and Mac. Info on new iOS, macOS features and quick how-to lessons as well. Short videos or slideshows showing step-by-step usage and simple language that's beginner friendly. Now, in order to use it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, type in tips and then look for an app icon like this and tap on it. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is browse three categories. You will see sections like what's new in iOS, photo and camera, setting and customization, message and FaceTime, Safari, Maps and more. Just tap on a section to explore tips in the category. Then tap on a tip to learn. Each tip includes a short title, step-by-step instructions, sometimes an image, slideshow, or video to demonstrate it. Example, like take a screenshot and it will show press the side button plus volume up or use back tap. There are bonus features like new tips are added over time, optional reminders for weekly tips are added as well, look up tips by keyword like airdrop, then send tips to friends via message or email. If you can't find the tips, simply swipe down on your home screen and then on the search bar, type in tips or simply go to the App Store and download it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.